Let's get back to basics with CIH Equipment Company and eGas Depot. Reactive and non-reactive gases go in certain types of bottles. A reactive gas goes in a steel bottle, the silver one, and a non-reactive gas goes in an aluminum bottle, the tan one. Each has a different inlet, so each requires a specific regulator. The regulator controls the amount of gas coming out of the bottle when performing a bump test to calibrate your gas meter. There are various types of regulators. Some are fixed flow, some are adjustable flow, and some are demand flow. With fixed flow regulators, the regulator is set to a certain liters per minute, LPM. So if you have it set to 0.5 LPM, that is the flow of the gas coming out per minute. There are adjustable regulators. Adjustable means it's a regulator you can adjust according to your needs, and it offers a range of 0.3 to 8 liters per minute. There are also demand flow regulators. If you're using a demand flow regulator, the regulator does not control the flow of gas. Instead, the pump you're attaching it to pulls the gas into the pump. To connect a fixed flow regulator, this is how you screw it on. Always by hand, and make sure it's tight and secured. The PSI reading on the regulator tells you how much pressure is inside the tank. This can only be used for gas meters that do not have a pump installed. For a demand flow regulator, you screw it on by hand and make sure that it's tight. Unlike the fixed flow meter, which you can control with the knob for the air to come out, this one requires a pump which you just attach and it automatically starts up. This also has a PSI amount which tells you how much gas is in the tank. As this is releasing, it's also releasing on the pressure gauge that's inside, which releases some of the gas. This is a reason you should never keep the regulator on after the calibration. You should take it off because it does leak gas. When you buy calibration gas, be sure to include a regulator. We offer a variety of regulators on our website under Accessories, or review the regulator guide and click on the image to show a variety of options. We also offer tubing, plastic carrying cases, and more. To check the amount of gas in the bottle, connect the regulator and the PSI will display the volume of how much gas is left. For example, if you get a reading of 100 psi and it's a large bottle, say it holds 1200 psi, then your bottle is almost empty. Visit egasdepot.com for details on our refill program. If you haven't used your gas for a while, check the label for an expiration date and make sure it's still valid. If not, please call us and order more gas. We're happy to provide a free consultation. Just call us toll-free at 1-833-386-9248. We're here to help. Please be sure to watch more videos of Back to Basics, and remember we're here to help with your health and safety equipment calibrations. Just call us or give us a visit at cihequipment.com and find calibration gases and safety